Friends, welcome to howtoearns.com. Today we are going to telling you that how you can create a channel. How do you can create a YouTube channel? First of all, you have to go to in the your internet bar and you have to create a Google Plus page. You have to go to plus.google.com. From here, you have to create a page for your uh, page for which you want to for you have to create a page for that. When you create a page, you have to visit to Google Plus, and then you have to go to on home and click on pages. From pages, you have to click on get your page. If you don't have created any page, you have to create a page and get your page. And from here, you have to click any of other brand service area and any other thing, and you have to click any type, and then you have to create a page. When you create a page, you will be see that your page has been created, and then when you go to YouTube, you will see that your page and your Google Plus page is automatically come as a channel in your YouTube account. Then see, when you click here, you will see all the pages here. It's a page, create a channel. When you click on create a channel, your page automatically will be written into the channel. Yes, create a channel. When you click on OK, then your page will be created soon. See, this is your page. This is your page on Google Plus, and now it's your channel on your YouTube account. Thank you for being with us. How to earns.com, being with us. How to earns.com, and don't worry about how to do. You may upload videos in your channel from here. Thank you for being with us.